Welcome back to another video of Art of the Outdoors. Earlier today I acquired this old 1948 Mercury KF5 from an online auction. Now I bid this one up to around $30. There's also a separate item which is a bottom shroud and a better looking gas tank and recoil. It was seized up, but I was able to get it unseized. I'm very fortunate that it does have spark. It runs very good. Very good idler. Look how easy of a starter this motor is. For 75 years old, I think this thing runs pretty dang good. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.